Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
Today, we're learning about transport. Are you ready, kids? Yeah! What is the word for bicycle in isiXhosa?
Ibhayisekile.
That's right, ibhayisekile. And what is the word for train in isiXhosa?
Uloliwe.
Very good, uloliwe. Now, what is the word for bus in isiXhosa?
Ibhasi.
That's right, ibhasi. And the word for car in isiXhosa?
Imoto.
Very good, imoto. Now let's see if you can remember these words. What is the word for bus in isiXhosa?
Ibhasi.
And train?
Uloliwe.
And bicycle?
Ibhayisekile.
And car?
Imoto.
Very good. And now you can use these words to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.